Good morning, Americans. This is your favorite alien and Boo Moose Bubba here on the morning of Friday, July 24th, 2020. TGIF. Well, today I wanted to do a commentary on really Americans? Creepy Joe and Trumpy Dumpy? Really? And this is what I'm saying. There is John Kasich and Tulsi Gabbard, a better ticket than Trumpy Dumpy or Creepy Joe has. And let me explain. Americans, do you see any better with with Trumpy Dumpy? No. Do you see any better with Creepy Joe? Hell no. And with John Kasich and Tulsi Gabbard? Yes. For one thing, they don't have to account for a party. For the other things, you would vote them in as a write-in candidate. They don't have to answer to anybody who says, I gave you X amount of dollars, so where is my appointment to being ambassador of Great Britain? Yoo-hoo! Or, can I be Secretary of the Interior? Or Secretary of State? Oh, yeah. As in Pompeo's case, yeah. CIA Director, Secretary of State, and then you get Bill Barr as Attorney General. Do you really want people like that? Really? Yeah? I know you right-wing Republicans, and there's about 10 to 15 million of you, are going to vote for Trumpy Dumpy. There's no question about that. And then there's you 15 million of you that are going to vote for Creepy Joe. So that way you get creepy with the women and Sleepy Joe too. So you get 2 for 1 there. Oh yeah, really. But the remainder of you guys, the 128 million, so 33. You got 90 million who voted 2016. A few have died and a few will come in. So let's say we got about 90 million. And then you got the 120 that never vote. What are you going to do? You can't vote like in 2016 where you had 68 million on both sides because a bunch of you didn't like Clinton and a bunch of you didn't like Trumpy Dumpy. You can't go that way anymore. And besides, since Clinton, your presidents have told you about 10% right and 90% wrong. Before that, presidents were averaging about 35 to maybe 50% right, that they would tell you what's going on the right way. But here in Trumpy Dumpy, he's averaging 2%. And the rest of it is some sort of fairy tale he's concocted. So what are you going to do, Americans? This is why me and Boo Moose Bubba say, vote for John Kasich and Tulsi Gabbard because they will serve your country. And you would at least get 50%, maybe 60% right when they tell you things. A good government tells you around 80%. If you go to 85, that's a good government. Anywhere in the galaxy. There is no such thing as a 90% government or 100% government. If you had that, you would have no government at all. There's always some secrecy and always some hanky-panky going on. But you try to minimize that, mitigate it to maybe 10 to 15%. And that's what you try to do, which you in America here have never tried to do. You don't even know how to mitigate this virus, let alone mitigate your government. Anyway, this is your favorite alien and Boo Moose Bubba saying, it's Tulsi Gabbard and John Kasich. The ticket. Better than good old Trumpy Dumpy or Creepy Joe and sometimes even Sleepy Joe. Really? Good day.